So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox a special thing, very special thing. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the unboxing setup. Quickly we unbox. माइक ऑफ करना guys, to see खाली है छोटा सा बॉक्स पर it is a little box but the packaging is so big. Okay, so let us quickly cut it. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, get a box. What else we get? Nothing else. Okay guys, keep this aside and you can see. Okay, Amazon Prime.in. Cut the seal. Okay, okay guys, open it. Some kachra. Okay guys, this is the main box. No bill. Okay, nothing else. Let us keep this side. Okay guys, you can see Pooja Hegde here. Bass jade pTron from Gaming TWS Earbuds. Okay guys, Bassbuds, be loud, be proud. Okay, nice line. You can see connectivity, advanced wireless range 10 meters, speaker driver 13 mm dynamic. Okay guys, 40 hours total playback time with case, earbud battery 40 mAh each, 1.5 hour charge time, case battery 300 mAh, same charging time, charging in 5 watt 1 amp, type C. Okay, gaming and music video, quick pairing, low latency, and okay guys, so same tagline here. Okay, and on the box, product name you can see with 40 hours case deep bag. Okay guys, no price is mentioned. I think price warranty period 1 year. Where is the price mentioned on the box? You can't find the price. Okay guys, price is here 3,700, but you know I got it at 1,499. Okay guys, so cameraman, this is a new cameraman guys. So price is here guys, if you can able to see 3,699 inclusive of tax. Okay guys, so let us open this quickly. Okay guys, टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टी. ओके गाइस, अभी ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा अनबॉक्सिंग. Okay guys, so let us open what you get in the box. Okay guys, this box we keep it as. Okay, we have something in the box. Okay, Bassbuds user guide, so you can scan. So this is paperless and less paper. You can scan, and in the app you can see the user manual. This is a very good thing. Okay, what else? Thank you and congratulations. We hope you have a rocking experience with the pTron. Okay guys, this is important note. Fully charge your new pTron device that comes with a built-in battery before using for the first time. Okay, made with utmost care and precision. Carry the brave warranty. This is warranty card guys. Product registration 1 year warranty. Okay, so let us see. So here on the above we get, so okay, we have to take it out like that, and we have two earbuds main here with here. Okay, so how to open this? I don't know how to open this. Okay, guys, so you can see very nice finish this is, and this can fit in comfortably. Okay, see the other one is also same for the right side. Okay, you can see, guys. Okay, you can see here both left and right. Next we have case. When you open it, the light will charge. Okay, you can see details mentioned type C. Okay, magnetic case. So let us keep it for charging left and right side. Okay, we get a USB-C type, A to C type charging cable, very long. Extra ear tips, silicone ear tips, very nice. Okay, this is until the LED keeps this turn out, this will keep charging. Okay, so this was the unboxing, guys. Okay, guys, you can see this is charging. Okay, so this one is right, let us see, this one is left. Very comfortable, guys, and noise cancellation is also, we have environment noise cancellation and 40 hours backup time. So in the next video we will give the usage and as well. So like the video, share the video, comment. See you in the next one, guys. Bye. Subscribe.